Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So today I wanted to do some looks with my favorite dupe palettes. Very inexpensive and they are the best dupes for high-end palettes. And I'm talking about Alter Ego palettes. You've seen me doing few looks with their palettes. And I have a couple of new ones. I have this gorgeous one which is called Sakura. And that's supposed to be a dupe for Natasha Denona Retro Glam. I don't have that palette from Natasha Denona. I didn't think I would like it, so I can't compare it. But when I looked at the pictures, the colors look so similar. They are just obviously placed in different order. And then I have the Mirage, which is a dupe for Huda Beauty Empowerment palette. I think that's her latest palette. Looks gorgeous. I also don't have the Huda Beauty Empowering palette, but from my previous videos where I had the original high-end palettes, they are just amazing dupes. The quality is great. I think I have a discount code, like 10% in a description box, but I think this palette is just $20, so like 1/3 of the Natasha Denona. Because I always do brown looks, I thought I will leave that one for another time, and today we will play with the Sakura. So I just swatched it before I applied the makeup on, so have a look at the swatches. So here is the row of the brown ones, these two rows. You won't see very well the ones at the top on my pasty hand. They feel so beautiful and soft and velvety. I've got big hopes. Actually, let me swatch next to it the pink, because there is just one row of pink. So this is the middle row, the pinks. This one is very interesting. It's not really pink. Well, it is. I think it has a bit of duochrome in there. Okay, so yeah, so that's the first three rows. And let me do the greens now. That's what I'm really interested in. Okay, so here are the green rows. So can you see the greens are more minty, and that very dark one down the bottom is sort of khaki, and it's very interesting. It's not completely matte, it's sort of satin matte, really nice. I will put pictures of the palette so you know which ones I'm using. I will start, I'm taking Rifa 14 Maxi. These are the new brushes from Rifa. You know, they've come out with Maxi and Mini versions of the most popular 5 most popular brushes. I think I'm going to go into Hazy and just apply it in my crease. Very pigmented. I think I might add a bit of Spring, which is that light pink, just to soften it. And maybe Petal, which is that darker pink. Rifa 16 to blend it a bit. Hulu P66, I'm going to Grove. It's the darkest green, and I'm going to apply it on my outer V. Rifa 02, and I'm going to go into Twinkle. which is more of a shimmery green. Now that's beautiful. Oh, I love this one. So with the other side of this brush, O2, I'm going to go to Fair and then overlap a bit the last one. It's just slightly lighter than, what was it, Twinkle? Twinkle. Then Rifa O2 Mini. So Mini is the smaller version of the original one. I might spray that one actually. And I will go into Radiant, that beautiful light mint. That is so beautiful. It's almost white. It's very like an icy mint. Wow. The more you wet the brush, you get almost like this foiled effect. I think I'm going to go back into Twinkle because I really like it, and I'm going to pull it a bit more towards the outer. That is so beautiful. That Radiant is gorgeous. I'm going to take Rifa 03, I will wet it and I will go into Twinkle and apply it on the lower lash line. Then I'll go into Groove and go over it. There is no fallout from these eyeshadows, you know, even the sparkly ones. I think you could probably get some fallout from the Radiant if you didn't wet the brush, but I'm going to take Rifa 28 and go to Plum, which is that dark cool brown, and maybe just darken this corner with it. And with Rifa 12, just buff it a bit underneath. To make it more smoky, we could apply some black eyeliner, maybe in a waterline. I've got here L'Oreal Super Liner. I'm going to do mascara. I might put false lashes on and I will be back. So here is the finished look. I love it. It's beautiful. I think as far as greens go, this one is a bit more wearable, I would say. You know, these really bright, almost limey greens are a bit more out there, but I feel like this one, it's very, very wearable. I would actually wear that in a day. So yes, it's beautiful. So the eyelashes I'm wearing are by BK Beauty and Risadas Makeup, Martini. These are just like 1/4 lashes. I love them. They are one of my favorites. On my lips, I have NYX lip liner in Los Angeles, and the lipstick is from Beauty Pie and it's in color Nude Blush. I sort of filled in my lips quite a bit with the pencil and then went over with the lipstick. Okay, let's do the cool brown look now. I will go into Wild and Hazy. I will mix them together and go with it in my crease. They have quite a bit of kick when you put your brush in, but if you tap it off, you don't get fallout while you're applying it. And that was Rifa 14 Max. Now I'm going with Rifa 28 into Plum, straight to this really dark brown. I don't think actually this brush is that good for it. I think that, yeah, the Rifa 02 is a bit better for this. It's more fluffy. This is a gorgeous color. Rifa 16 again to blend it out. Now on the other side of the Rifa 02, I'm going to go into Lush, which is a bit of a pewter. I really don't know how to describe this color, but it is also gorgeous. This makes really nice smoky eye. Now I'm going to go to the 02 Mini. So the Mini is a bit flatter than the original one. And I'm going to go to Live and apply that more in a corner. Yeah, I would say this gives you like a pewter smoky eye. You could liven it up by applying a bit of that pink on the top. Shall we try? Petal, I'm applying Petal. Sort of warms it up a bit, can you see? Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, it warms that look a bit. Rifa 26, and I'm going back into Lush, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. Now Rifa 03, I'm going to wet it and go into Prime and apply that just in a corner. This one is very sparkly. I think, oh, I like that. I think I'm going to take that on my finger and apply it. Oh my goodness, I'm still in that Prime. Apply it on a top. That makes it really, really sparkly. I'm going to put the black eyeliner in my waterline again. And I will apply mascara and the lashes and I will be back. Okay, so this is more of a cool brown look. Equally lovely. It's more smoky. You could make it very delicate as well, very daytime appropriate. You know, I like my eye makeup quite strong, but you don't have to do it this way. I think this palette is lovely. So far I haven't been disappointed in any of the Alter Ego palettes. And I'm surprised because when I saw the Natasha Denona Retro Glam, I didn't think I would like this palette, but now I don't need it because I have this one. So that's why I feel like Alter Ego does the dupes for high-end palettes the best. The quality is lovely. Sometimes I feel like some of the eyeshadows from the Alter Ego palettes, some of them perform and look better than the ones in high-end palettes. And you know, this is £20 or $20, so third of the price of Natasha Denona. Really good quality, very smooth. The shimmers are always beautiful, hardly any fallout. Absolutely love them. So I could do a pink look as well. I could mix them all together. There's lots of things you can do with it, but those pinks are really nice to warm up the cooler looks. And you know, you could even do that shimmery pop of pink as well. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this palette. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.